We'll guide you through how to use ClickUp for Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Safari or your preferred web browser on your Mac and go to ClickUp's website. Once there, you'll need to sign in to your ClickUp account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard where you can manage all your tasks and projects. To start organizing your tasks, head over to the left sidebar and click on the space where you want to add a task. Click the plus icon to create a new task and fill in the details like the task name, description, and due date. You can also assign tasks to team members by clicking on the Assignee section. If you want to create a list or a new project, go to the Spaces section on the left and click Add Spaces or Add Folder. This helps in organizing your tasks under specific projects or categories. ClickUp also offers various views like List, Board, and Calendar. You can switch between these views by clicking on the top of your screen, which helps in visualizing your tasks in different formats. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, ClickUp offers a comprehensive list which you can find under your account settings. This can greatly speed up your workflow. To customize your notifications, click on your profile picture in the bottom left corner, then go to Settings. Here, you can choose how and when you receive notifications about task updates and due dates. If you find you have too many tasks cluttering your view, you can use the Filter option to display only the tasks you're currently working on or those assigned to you. Don't forget to explore the ClickUp App Store for integrations with other tools you might be using. This can enhance your productivity by connecting ClickUp with calendars, communication apps, and more. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.